Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome to 5 minutes physics. So today's lecture will be very interesting because we'll discuss about electric dipole and most importantly we'll derive the expression of electric field intensity at axial point and equatorial point due to electric dipoles. ठीक है देखते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल क्या होता है इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल इज अ सिस्टम हैविंग टू इक्वल एंड ऑपोजिट चार्जेस सेपरेटेड बाय अ स्मॉल डिस्टेंस सो मतलब इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल में दो चार्ज होता है एंड द सेपरेशन बिटवीन देम विल बी वेरी स्मॉल सो वी कैन टेक इट टू ए that is the separation between two charges. So this entire system is called electric dipole. Again I repeat, dipole is an arrangement which will have two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. Next is dipole moment. Dipole moment is a vector quantity and this magnitude of dipole moment is magnitude of any charge into separation between them. So unit of dipole moment is coulomb into meter and the direction of electric dipole is from negative charge to positive charge. So that is the basic definition of electric dipole. So now we'll find out electric field intensity at axial point due to electric dipole. So first of all we'll take a dipole. As you know, dipole has two charges minus q and plus q and the separation between them is 2a and the net charge of the dipole concentrate on the center. Since we need to find out electric field at an axial point, so we take a point on its axis. This is the axial line. We take a point where we'll find out electric field intensity. Is it clear? And the distance between this point and the center of dipole is r. The distance between O to this point P is r. So again I repeat, we will take a dipole having two charges minus q and plus q. The separation is 2a and we will take a point on its axis where we will find out electric field intensity and the distance between the point P to O is smaller. So एक चीज याद रखो, अगर आपके पास एक चार्ज है, you will find out electric field at this point. The formula is kq upon distance square or r square. If it is distance, it is distance square. अगर ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन अवे फ्रॉम द चार्ज. इफ इट इज नेगेटिव, the direction of electric field is towards the charge. Clear? So here we'll find out electric field at this point. Since we have two charge, we'll find out two electric field. So first is electric field due to minus q charge. Second we'll find out electric field due to plus q charge. Then after we'll check the direction of electric field. Then we'll find out the resultant electric field. So first we'll find out electric field at this point P due to minus q charge. Let this इसका नाम दे देते 1 and 2. So we'll find out E1. E1 का मतलब electric field at this point due to minus q charge, or we can say E or suffix minus q. What is the formula? Kq upon distance square. What is the distance? R. This one is a. So r plus a is the distance. So we'll take the distance from minus q to the point P. So the distance is r plus a whole square. And what is the direction? Since it is negative charge, the direction of electric field is towards the charge. Is it clear? मतलब electric field का direction is towards the charge. Similarly, we will find out electric field at this point P due to the second charge. Let it be E2 or E suffix plus Q. So what is that? K into Q by distance square. What is the distance between this plus Q and P? The distance will be R minus of A. So it will be R minus A. So matlab KQ by R minus A whole square. And the direction is what? Away from the charge. The direction is away from the charge. Is it clear? So what is the net electric field at this point? Either E1 minus E2 or E2 minus E1. That depends on the magnitude of electric field. So in both the case, numerator part is same, but here the denominator part is small. Less is the distance, more is the electric field. So if you compare between E1 to E2, so we will find E2 will be more than E1. Since E2 will be more than E1, so resultant electric field is E2 minus E1. So if I take KQ as common, so it will be 1 by R minus A whole square minus 1 by R plus A whole square. So that means we will find out, if I take LCM as R square minus A square whole square, so it will be R plus A whole square minus of R minus A whole square. Clear? So A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is 4AB. Similarly, we can write down here KQ into 4RA. upon r square minus s square whole square. Is it clear? So we can write this one as kq. So I can write down 2a. I can split this part 2a into 2r by r square minus s square whole square. Q into 2a is p, dipole moment. So here I am writing, so electric field is kp, see kp into 2r by r square minus s square whole square. So we can write down 2 kpr by r square minus s square of whole square. That is the actual formula of electric field intensity. That is the actual formula. And what is the net? What is the direction? Direction will be same as E2. Matlab direction will be away from the system, away from the charge. Or you can say the direction is parallel to the dipole moment. As you know, the direction of dipole moment is from minus to plus. So matlab E direction, resultant electric field direction will be same with the direction of dipole moment. इज इट क्लियर? सो यहां तक आपको लिखना है. देन उसके बाद एक कंडीशन है, इफ r is very greater than a, if we take the point which is far away from the dipole, then at that case we can neglect a square part, sorry, a square part. If a square part will be neglect, then e will be, it will be 2 kp by rq. Now we'll derive the expression of electric field intensity at equatorial point due to electric dipole. So for that we will consider a dipole. As I have told, it has two charges, minus q and plus q, and the separation between them will be 2a. And we will consider a point on the equatorial line. This one is your equatorial line. We are considering a point P where we will find out electric field intensity. Here, so let the distance between the center of dipole to that point is r. Since we have two charges, we will find out two electric field. So one is electric field due to minus q, other is due to plus q. So let us join this point. So the distance will be r square plus s square under root. Here also distance will be r square plus s square under root. So that means we will be getting two electric field with same magnitude but direction will be different. So first we will find out electric field at this point due to minus q charge. It is what? kq upon distance square. Distance is how much? r square plus s square under root. इसका square कितना हो जाएगा? Only r square plus s square. And what is the direction? Let it be e1. What is the direction? Direction is towards the negative charge. Similarly, we will find out electric field at this point due to plus q. Let it be e2. It will be how much? kq upon distance square. Here distance is same, r square plus s square under root. So it will be how much? kq upon r square plus s square. And what is the direction? Away from the charge. So matlab direction is away from the charge. So here we can say the mod of E1 will be same as mod of E2. Magnitude will be same but direction will be different. Let this angle is theta and this angle is theta. So we can say this angle is theta and this one is also theta. Since it is E1, it will be how much? E1 cos theta and it will be E1 sin theta. And here it is E2, matlab horizontal component will be cos theta, E2 cos theta, and vertical component will be E2 sin theta. As I have told, the mod of E1 and E2 will be same. So E1 sin theta and E2 sin theta will be cancelled. E1 sin theta will be cancelled by E2 sin theta. Then what is the net electric field? It will be E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. So net electric field is E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. Since E1 is E2, so we can say 2 into E1 cos theta. Okay. Then what is the direction? Direction is against the dipole moment. Dipole moment का direction क्या है? Minus to plus. And net electric field direction is from plus to minus or from right to left. So electric field कितना हो जाएगा? देखो 2 into E1 कितना है? kq upon r square plus s square. And what is cos theta? So here cos theta is equal to this upon this. मतलब a upon under root of s square plus r square. So मतलब Q into A into 2A, Q into 2A is P, so answer will be Kp by R square plus S square to the power 3 by 2. ये हो गया आपका actual mathematical formula. Then we can take a point like if this point is placed far away from the dipole. मतलब if R is very greater than A, so A square part may be neglected. If A square will be neglected, then electric field intensity will be Kp upon RQ. ये हो गया आपका फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन. सो E एक्सियल क्या था? E एक्सियल था 2Kp upon RQ. So E equatorial क्या है? Kp upon RQ. So E axial by E equatorial will be 2:1. It is clear? Hope you guys understood what I've explained. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.